I noticed today that there was a question about using dice in the playground, and I just wanted to show you how that works. So you'll note that I have my camera open, which means that I had a student in my classroom, or at least I had invited a student into my classroom. It's important to note that because this reward button right here does not show up until you have invited a student into your classroom. Once you've done that, you can click the reward button and you'll see the confetti, star, dice, and gem selections. Click the dice, and the dice pops up right here in the left-hand corner of the playground. It'll stay in that left-hand corner until you click this X right here. So again, I click the reward button, then I click the dice, and then you just click the dice. It's that easy. So I like to use the dice with my leaping life cycle game in my frog bog playground. So anyway, here you go. Have fun.